Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this ETF report for PowerShares QQQ Trust. The report was first published on our website Monday, May 9, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell PowerShares QQQ Trust? In this video you will get insight in both the technical and the fundamental situation in addition to future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Our systems currently rank the PowerShares QQQ Trust ETF with a -3.645 score, and our system has ranked PowerShares QQQ Trust sell candidate since April 26, 2022. In this period the stock has had a loss of -6.30%. This is an average return of -0.63% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for PowerShares QQQ Trust, our last headline reads, PowerShares QQQ Trust ETF price down 3.91% on Monday. The PowerShares QQQ Trust ETF price fell by -3.91% on the last day, Monday, May 9, 2022, from $309.25 to $297.15. And has now fallen 4 days in a row. During the day the ETF fluctuated 4.61% from a day low at $295.72 to a day high of $309.35. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by -9.84% for this period. Volume fell on the last day along with the ETF, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the ETF. On the last day, the trading volume fell by -27 million shares and in total, 115 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $34.15 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $408.71, and the lowest price was $295.72. Right now the price is 27.3%, or $111.56, below 52-week high at $408.71, which also is all-time high for the ETF. The ETF has broken the wide and falling short-term trend down. Firstly, a stronger fall rate is indicated, but false breaks and sell-off may occur. However, a further fall is realistic and any reactions back to the breaking point, $303.88, are considered to be a second chance to get out. According to the fan theory, $246.83 will represent the new bottom line of the next trend, but it is far too early to say this for certain. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -5.74% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -3.27% and 14.83%. The 12-month trend indicates a -0.72% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -0.38% and 34.87%. This equals a price between $296.02 and $400.76 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for PowerShares QQQ Trust. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the ETF. There are few to note technical positive signals at the moment. The PowerShares QQQ Trust ETF holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $314.22 and $340.97. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, March 29, 2022, and so far it has fallen -19.95%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell together with the price during the last trading day, and this reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a sell signal. Pivots gave a sell signal 29 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 21 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 18 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 30 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 77 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for PowerShares QQQ Trust. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and given the right condition, the ETF may perform very badly in the next couple of days. This ETF has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the ETF moved $13.63 between high and low, or 4.61%. For the last week, the ETF has had a daily average volatility of 3.96%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for PowerShares QQQ Trust. The price-to-earnings ratio, PE ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. PowerShares QQQ Trust currently has a price-earning ratio of 3.74. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, PowerShares QQQ Trust meets first resistance at $309.25. If you do not hold PowerShares QQQ Trust shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. The stock does not have any support from accumulate volume below and may therefore fall very hard and fast given the right conditions. Caution is warned, and you should not place any bet unless you're a skilled trader and know how to play these cases. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. We hold a negative evaluation for this ETF, no stop loss set. Is PowerShares QQQ Trust ETF a buy? PowerShares QQQ Trust holds several negative signals and is within a wide and falling trend, so we believe it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We therefore hold a negative evaluation of this ETF. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Tuesday 10th, we expect PowerShares QQQ Trust to open up $3.59 and start trading at $300.74. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Remember that anyone leaving a company stand the chance of winning a lifetime subscription worth $495 to our services. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.